top-rated exterior cleaning company in Newbury, Berkshire.
Hello, I'm Mark Tuvey, the owner and founder of Alfresco Exterior Cleaning. This video will help you find a top-rated exterior cleaning company in Newbury, Berkshire. If you are searching for a top-rated exterior cleaning company in Newbury, Berkshire, you are not alone. Many homeowners and property managers want a reliable company they can trust. However, not all exterior cleaning companies deliver the same results. So, how do you choose the right one? More importantly, what does top-rated actually mean? What makes a company truly top-rated? Firstly, reviews matter. A top-rated company will have consistent, genuine feedback from real customers. Therefore, it is always worth checking platforms like Google before making a decision. However, ratings alone are not enough. Experience also plays a key role. A company with a long track record will have seen every type of surface and problem. As a result, they know how to clean safely and effectively.
In addition, professionalism sets the best apart. Turning up on time, clear communication, and delivering what was promised all matter. These are the basics, yet many still get them wrong. Why exterior cleaning matters in Newbury. Newbury is a beautiful part of Berkshire. However, like many areas in the UK, properties here face constant exposure to the elements. Over time, roofs collect moss, render becomes stained, gutters block, patios turn slippery. Consequently, your property can quickly start to look tired. Even more importantly, these issues can lead to damage if ignored. Blocked gutters can cause water ingress, moss can lift roof tiles, algae can make surfaces unsafe. Therefore, regular exterior cleaning is not a luxury. It is part of maintaining your home or building properly. Services you should expect a top-rated exterior cleaning company in Newbury, Berkshire should offer a full range of services.
This ensures your entire property can be looked after by one trusted provider. Typically, this includes roof cleaning with moss removal and treatment, render cleaning using a soft wash approach, window cleaning with pure water systems, gutter clearing and inspection, driveway and patio cleaning, cladding and facade cleaning. Because of this, you avoid juggling multiple contractors. Instead, everything is handled in a planned and professional way. The right methods make all the difference. Not all cleaning methods are equal. In fact, using the wrong approach can cause damage. For example, high-pressure washing on render or roofs can lead to costly repairs. On the other hand, a soft wash system treats the root cause of staining. At Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, we use a combination of soft wash treatments and hot water cleaning. As a result, surfaces are cleaned thoroughly without unnecessary risk. In addition, pure water window cleaning leaves a spotless finish without chemicals.
This method has become the standard for modern exterior cleaning. Why Alfresco stands out in Newbury for homeowners and property managers in Newbury. Choosing the right company comes down to trust. Alfresco Exterior Cleaning has been serving the local area for nearly 30 years. During that time, we have built a strong reputation across Berkshire and Oxfordshire. We are proud to be one of the most rated exterior cleaning companies on Google in the region. However, more importantly, our customers return to us year after year. So what makes the difference? A dedicated office team available Monday to Friday, clear communication from start to finish, safe working practices with full insurance, proven systems that deliver long-lasting results. Because of this, our clients know exactly what to expect. There are no surprises, just a job done properly. A smarter way to maintain your property. Many people wait until problems become obvious. However, a better approach is regular maintenance. For example, scheduled window cleaning keeps your home looking sharp all year. Meanwhile, planned roof and render treatments prevent costly issues later. As a result, your property stays in top condition. It also holds its value over time. Final thoughts. Choosing a top-rated exterior cleaning company in Newbury, Berkshire should not be complicated. Look for proven experience, check real reviews. Most importantly, choose a company that stands behind its work. If you want a reliable, professional service with a long-standing reputation, Alfresco Exterior Cleaning is ready to help. After all, your property deserves to look its best, and with the right team, it will.